Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ULANZI D200 Stream Deck and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the style of your tiles. At first we have to open the application ULANZI Deck and the tutorial for installing this application both for MacBook and Windows is on our channel, so don't worry. And here, as you can see, we have our main menu of our application. We have to click on the name of our profile, and here we have to select our profile that we want to modify the style, and we have to click edit profile. Here we have to tap on style, and now we can uncheck the displaying title, as you can see, and if we click apply, our title will disappear. And now if we close it, we can see that now if we add something and insert some title, we can see that we don't have title even if we have our title here. Apart from that, if we enter here and click edit profile, we can see in style that we can increase and decrease our font size level. I do have here 15. You can set it to 12 up to, I guess, about 15, I guess. And here, if we click on it, we can change our font style. Here are two Chinese fonts, and here we have Deja Vu Sounds, Bariona, Crimson Text, Majira, Psycho, Boto. Here, apart from that, we have three title styles. It can be in the middle, at the top, or at the bottom. With this button, we can reset all our settings that we've created, and with this button, we can apply. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.